Okay, for math today, what we did, we had to use the skill make a 10. So students had to identify in the number sentence 8 plus 5. They had to identify that 8 was the larger number and that 5 needed to be broken apart. They had to determine, count up from 8 and figure out how many they needed to put with it to make a 10, which would be 2 in this case. Then I told them they have to figure out what number they have to put with 2 that would equal 5, and that would be 3. So once they've done that initial work, then they've made their 10. And then they can put down this number, whatever number they've not circled. They can put that down, and then 10 plus 3 becomes 13. And so then they see that 8 plus 5 becomes 13. Let's try another. It doesn't matter which number they break down. They can start with the small one or the large one. They will get the same answer. But for the sake of counting up and accuracy, I say they should break down the smaller number. In 3 plus 9, since 9 is the larger number, they need to break apart the 3. And they would break apart the 3 into 1 and 2. So then they've made their 10. And then they need to write down the number that is outside of their circle. And so 10 plus 2 becomes 12. And then 3 plus 9 equals 12. This is exactly how you and I do math in our heads. We always, well, I don't know about you, but I always break apart numbers and make a 10 whenever I can because it's just easier to add. If you have any questions, call or text. Thanks.